The earliest of my memories was when I was about 4, and I would talk to myself. My mom would later tell me she was beginning to worry because as I grew older, I never stopped. It might sound normal because other kids had an imaginary friend, but for me it was never in the sense of, come on, let's go play. It was more so thinking out loud. But as I got older, it got to a point where, when I was alone, I would be full on arguing with myself. I know, it sounds crazy, but bear with me. Not in an angry sense, but in a debating way. A typical dialogue I had with myself would go something like this. Why is that the best way to do it? Why can't you do it this other way? Well, no, because that would present more obstacles. But what if you take this route and remove X? That still wouldn't be the best way, but you do have a point. By removing X, it would make things a lot more efficient. I'm simplifying it, of course, but essentially, that's how it would play out in my mind. Never in public. Only when I know for sure I'm alone, because I'm deathly shy. If you were to secretly record me, you would find all I do is talk to myself like a madman. Why am I explaining this crazy-ass story? Well, because that's just me. And that's just it. We all have something so peculiar, yet our brain has normalized it because it comes so naturally we don't even think it's a gift, or a talent, or something that could be spread across the globe. We think that, oh, that's just me, that's just who I am. We don't even realize that by thinking that, we are inhibiting our own gift from blossoming because it's coming from us. And who are we? Nobody. At least that's what we think. But you can shift your mind to think, this is me. Nobody can take this from me, and no one can do it better than me. When you realize that shit, whoo boy, you will begin to move mountains. Because then you'll realize what makes you unique and how you can leave your mark.